Hi, this is Saminzi with an elegant tutorial on your own channel somycrafty. Here on your screens you can watch materials details. So let's start today's project, an elegant beaded jewelry set. We are using in its making 12 mm Rivoli and 4 mm Montees. We have picked one Montee and one pearl seed bead etto, one 2 mm bicone, and one seed bead etto. And we have passed through two holes of each Montee of one side's two hole. And after making double knots, we have started next round. We are adding 5 pearl seed beads. These beads we have to add these beads passing through the other side's two holes of Montees. So in first round we pass through the other side of two holes, and in this round we are adding 5 bead each time. We are adding passing through the other side's two holes, and in this way Montees will be fixed and don't move here and there. So we have to add 5 beads each time. Total 4 times will we have added. Now we are starting the next round. In this round only one seed bead each time will be added. We pass through third bead of previous rounds, fifth bead, 5 bead we beaded. So we have to pass through previous round's third bead, and we will add each time one pearl seed bead, and in this way this round is completed. Now here is the time to fix 12 mm Rivoli. It is golden color Rivoli, golden Rivoli, 12 mm. We have to place it in middle of our beaded part which we made. So now we have to pull the thread, and after pulling the thread tightly it will take a shape. To make this shape stable, to make it secure, we have to make a knot here. So on back side here we are making a knot. After making knot we will step ahead. We will move to further setup. Now we have picked one pearl seed bead etto, one round silver faceted bead 4 mm, and one seed bead etto. Now we have to pass through on back sides beads. From one seed bead to other seed bead we pass through, and now we have picked one seed bead 11, one clear bead 11. We have to add it between two seed beads of previous round. Now again we have to add one seed bead etto, one silver round bead 4 mm, and one seed bead etto. Passing through the previous round's seed bead we added it. Now we have picked one more time one seed bead 11, and we are to add it here between two seed bead ettos. And now again we are adding in this way. We have to add these seed beads 11 4 times, and we have to add 3 beads, one seed bead etto and one silver round 4 mm, and one seed bead 3 beads. These beads will be added 4 times. So one time we add 11 seed bead, and one time we add 3 beads, 2 seed bead, 8 and 1 silver round bead. In this way we have completed this round. And now this is the last round, in which we are adding 2 seed bead, pearl seed beads, 8 our air wire, golden air wire we picked for this project, and again 2 seed bead 8. In this way we have to add here our air wire. Air wire is fixed here, added here, passing through 2 seed bead of previous round. In middle of our earring we have added it. Now we are making knots on back of earring, and now we trim the thread. In this way our earrings making is complete. This is the final look of our earrings. Very elegant, very easy, and you can say it will take no long time to make it. These are very elegant, easy to make. Now following the same pattern, we have to make a pendant for you. So we have started. First of all, we have made one basic beaded part as we made it for earrings. Now we have to add here a little beaded part which will be made for chain, to pass chain from here. This is a beaded loop which we are making with the herringbone stitch. So each time we have to add 2. In the beginning we added 4, and now we have to add 7 times 2. So we have to make 7 times 7 pair of beads we have to add here for a beaded loop here for our pendant. So we have beaded 7 pairs in herringbone stitch. Now we are joining it on back side. Here we have to join it. After joining it we will make some knots and we will trim the extra thread. Now after trimming the thread we will insert a chain here to complete the pendant process. Here the loop is ready. We have to enter a chain here. Easily we can add a chain here. We pass through this chain from this loop, and now it's ready. Our pendant, elegant pendant of Rivoli and beads and Montee's beaded. This is the final looks of our earrings and pendant. Now we are going to make a beaded ring with the same pattern, and it's not difficult for you now. Now the same basic part, beaded part we have made for our ring. Now from back side we have started here. From seed beads we have to pass through from these seed beads 8. Now we are making our rings band. We will make it in right angle weave stitch. We will take 3 beads, 1 seed bead 8, 1 bicone 2 mm and 1 seed bead 8. We have added these beads. Now from here we will pass through 2 holes of Montee, which is in the middle of these beads. From 2 holes of Montee, passing through these beads, we have started making our band, rings band in right angle weave. We have to add each time 3 beads, 1 seed bead, pearl seed bead 8, 1 2 mm bicone, pink, light pink bicone bead, and 1 seed bead of white seed bead. Very elegant beaded rings band is ready. You have to make according to your finger size it. Now we have to join it on the other side of our ring. We picked one more seed bead into, and now we are adding one more seed bead into second time. So on the end to joining here this beaded band, we will add 2 beads. So we have picked that beads and we have joined it. Now we are making finishing knots, and now we will trim the thread, and in this way the beading process of today's tutorial is complete. Here is the final look of our beaded ring with Rivoli and golden Rivoli and silver Montees, different colors combination, light pink bicones, silver round beads. Different beads are used in its making. This very lovely gorgeous project is here before you. Earring, ring and pendant. A complete jewelry set, beaded jewelry set is in my hands. I hope you would like to make for yourself, and if you want to make it, so watch full video carefully and be prepared to make for yourself. You have to just arrange your materials, and from materials I want to remember you that I have added in my tutorials, all my tutorials of Easy Smith Jewelry and somycrafty channel. Both of my channels I am uploading in description, our videos description. We are adding in different above 10 languages. We are adding materials list in different languages. So I want to make it easy for my lovely viewers. So I upload in different languages material detail. So you can watch it in your language if you want to make this jewelry. So here are the final looks. Don't skip these final looks I made for you, lovely viewers. These are little videos, these are short clips of today's project, and I hope you would like it. And I upload short YouTube shorts also from my channel, so don't skip and watch that videos also. Here are the final looks with different colors backgrounds. So if you like today's project, don't forget to subscribe your own channel somycrafty. I always try to bring elegant jewelry projects for you, so please don't forget to subscribe. And now I will say bye. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.